Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto investing is complicated and risky for beginners, but platforms like Pionix can make automated trading surprisingly approachable. Today, I'll share my usage experience so you know what to expect. Pionix is a crypto exchange that specializes in automated trading bots. These bots can execute strategies like grid trading, arbitrage, and DCA dollar cost averaging automatically, which helps both beginners and experienced traders. One of the biggest benefits is automation. Instead of constantly watching the market, you can set parameters for a bot and let it execute trades for you. Most people don't realize how much time this can save while potentially improving returns. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and pairs, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to smaller altcoins. This flexibility allows you to diversify your portfolio and experiment with different strategies. The surprising truth is that while automation reduces manual work, it doesn't eliminate risk. Market volatility can still lead to losses, and no bot guarantees profits. It's important to understand the strategies your bots are using and start with smaller amounts if you're new. Pionix also offers low trading fees compared to many other exchanges, and all bots are free to use, so you're not paying extra just for automation. Withdrawals are straightforward, and the mobile app makes managing your investments convenient. In conclusion, Pionix is a solid choice for crypto users who want to automate trading without hiring a professional. It's beginner-friendly, but still powerful for experienced traders. Just remember to manage risk and understand the strategies your bots use. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews and tips to improve your investing experience.